Hey guys, for those watching live, I just couldn't let couldn't let that go as far as the issue. This is the thing I was talking about earlier. You have to slide it in this way and clip it in. I'm gonna try to show you this again here on this one. I took this door off because I wanted to replace some of the clips. I have destroyed some of them. All this is they just slide right in. You just gotta get BMW clips, and that's pretty easy. They clip on. Now the rest of these are actually really good. I just happen to get just the right amount. Here's what some of the other ones look like. They look like they've definitely seen better days. Yeah, especially this one here and this one. I didn't do those, somebody else did. That's why I decided to do some of my own work. Doing your own work, you know it's going to get done right. Speaker cable connected here, tweeter cable connected there. Biggest thing is now is to hang the door on the door latch there. Get it in there, and here's how this is supposed to work. You slide this in forward, and you dip it in backwards. Slide it forward. Being very gentle, not to break anything. And like I said, using one hand. The theory is to, like I said, put this thing forward. Just come out. Lean this thing forward and easing it back in. Into the thing. Hope this helps, guys. I have to have both hands finish this.